Let's solve this together. It says 3 raised to the power x dot 3 raised to the power x dot 3 raised to the power x is equal to 216. We're going to solve for the value of x in this question, okay? Now, first things first, we can say that when we have 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power x and 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power x plus x, which is 3x. And this is equal to, now 216 can be written to be equal to 3 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 3, okay? Because 3 raised to the power 3 is 27 and 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 27 times 8 is 216, alright? Now from here we can now say, let us take the logarithm of both sides in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 3, so we can take the logarithm of both sides in base 3. Alright? Now we're going to have, alright, now we're going to have 3x multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 3 to be equal to, for this other side we have logarithm to base 3 of 3 raised to the power 3 plus logarithm to base 3 of 2 raised to the power 3. Okay? Now this is going to be, logarithm of a number to its own base is 1, so 1 times 3x is 3x, to be equal to 3 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 3 is also 1, plus 3 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 3. At this point, we're going to say let's divide each term by 3. So we have this divided by 3, this divided by 3, and this divided by 3. Okay? 3 strikes 3, 3 strikes 3, 3 strikes 3. This is x, this is 1 plus logarithm of 2 to base 3. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.